Yeah, I'm Larry Shawler. I'm with the Rockford Register Star out of Rockford, Illinois, a division of the Gatehouse Media Publications. Yeah, our current plate volume ranges from 12,000 to 13,000 single plates per month, and our double plates, panorama plates, are anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 plates per month. We at the Register Star, part of Gatehouse Media, had heard some good things in regards to the Liberty no-process plates manufactured by Southern Litho, and today we decided to do a demo on them. The demo itself went very well. We had a very quick startup on press.
Introducing Liberty NXP, the revolutionary no-process printing plates from America's leading lithoplate manufacturer, Southern Lithoplate. This is not just anyone's no-process plate, this is Southern Litho's no-process plate, Liberty NXP. Affording newspaper printers true freedom from the cumbersome, expensive chemical processing of plates by using the only no-process plate that lives up to America's expectations for quality and productivity. Liberty is at hand. Let's take a look at how Liberty NXP no-process plates look and perform in a newspaper like the Rockford Register Star, in a newspaper like yours. Liberty NXP plates can be laser imaged right out of the box on any thermal plate setter within an 810 to 830 nanometer range and mounted on the plate cylinders of any offset press.
The Liberty NXP plate develops on press as opposed to a processor in pre-press.
No chemical processor required. No more plate processing chemicals to buy. No spent chemicals to dispose of. No baking. Less energy consumed, less time spent, no more waiting. But hold the presses. There are other advantages to Liberty NXP no-process plates over conventional chemically processed printing plates. Liberty NXP plates have a tough top coating.
Well, I think one of the major benefits was that the top coating is a very durable protection of the plate, and it actually is resistant to scratches and stuff, so where you can actually remove the entire slip sheet process.
There is yet another advantage Liberty NXP enjoys over conventional plates and their development. Many traditional chemically processed plates require the application of finishers during the processing stage, because there is still abundant opportunity for the plates to be scratched or contaminated once they leave the processor and travel to bending, punching, racking, and even to hanging on the plate cylinders. On the other hand, Liberty NXP plates can travel directly to bending and punching, where there is still another advantage.
One of the major advantages of the Liberty NXP plate is the fact that without no process being done in pre-press, there is no gum being applied to the plate, so therefore there is no transfer of the gum to your bender or rollers.
Now let's follow your imaged, fully protected Liberty NXP plates to the press room, where they will be developed on press. Most no-process plates have some level of solubility in ink and/or water, but that's not what develops the plates. It is here the SLP Liberty NXP no-process procedure departs from conventional plate press operation. The fountain solution will wet the plates, but does not and will not develop or process them.
So during the roll-up of the press, the plate is actually being developed by a mechanical process. The top coating of the plate is actually loosened up by the water during the startup, and then the tack of the ink removes both the top coating and the polymer and transfers it to the web.
The Liberty NXP plate has two layers, a finisher layer and a polymer layer. The top layer is like a gummed finish that provides protection for the polymer layer. The polymer layer absorbs the laser energy from the CTP device. It is the image area of the plate. The finisher layer is a water-based coating. The fountain is necessary not to develop the plate, but to soften the finisher for the mechanical process. The tack of the ink-water mix literally pulls the coating out of the non-image areas during initial make-ready, transferring the coating material in the non-image areas to the blanket and then onto the web. It is therefore important to drop the water first and then quickly follow with the ink. This process guarantees that the coating goes out in the paper waste stream, not back into the water or ink system. If you flood the press with too much water, then your ink will emulsify. This will slow your cleanup dramatically. So again, the key is to splash with water, put the ink forms on, give it the ink. You will see the sheet go completely dark with ink. This is the charge state. As it goes through the charge state, it is pulling that coating off in microlayers until it is gone. Typically 30 to 50 copies, but of course every press can be slightly different. Once it becomes readable on the press, it is just a printing plate. At this point, you can make all adjustments to achieve sellable copies.
It was actually pretty interesting to see that the polymer of the plate would actually come off onto the web of the press as opposed to going up the ink drain. Seemed to clean up very quickly, and the image came up very quickly as well.
Experience the freedom of no process plates with Liberty NXP, plus the benefit of reduced waste and faster saleable copy. Enjoy crisp, dependable dots that deliver commercial print quality on your newspaper press. Experience the time savings, energy savings, and low environmental impact that only Liberty NXP can provide. And experience the difference Southern Lithoplate can make as your pre-press and print support partner. Our commitment to quality, value, and performance, and to your print profitability, is what makes SLP stand out among all other providers. Liberty is at hand, with Southern Lithoplate at your side.
Yeah, we at the Register Star do value the support that we do receive from Southern Litho, both from a sales standpoint and also from a technical standpoint.
Liberty NXP No Process Plates, exclusively from Southern Lithoplate.